Welcome back. Here, I'm Anthony Bailey here, and you're taking a look at the weather forecast. Let's get you right over to 3D First Alert Radar. There has been a lot going on out there, folks. I'll tell you, take a look at eastern and Kern County right now. Showers developing there, and you can see getting stronger, intensifying here over the last hour or so. But take a look at this line of storms making its way through the Sierras and Yosemite Mountains there, all the way into the 5 o'clock hour right now. The purples and lighter blues you see there, snowfall coming down. In fact, so strong that they had to close Tioga Pass there, and also some snow heading into the Lake Tahoe area. We'll keep a close eye on that here as we head through the next couple of hours out there. Future radar showing some more showers on the way for the Lake Isabella area. Most of it, though, staying east of Bakersfield and actually to our south. During first weather, we showed you that very intense cell they're making its way through the Fraser Park area early this afternoon. We got some reports of hail coming in, not quite out of the woods yet here. We're going to keep watching this here for the next several days. Take a look outside. This is what it looks like outside of our sky cam right now. You can see cloud cover very, very thick, and it's piling up all across the valley out there for us. We will see storms continuing through the next several days, and there we go, sky cam. How about those temperatures out there right now? In the mild range, 72 degrees right now, humidity at 38%. The winds here in downtown Bakersfield are 18 miles an hour, but I can tell you things have got really gusty around the area. Rainfall totals right now about 0.19 of an inch of rain so far in the Tehachapi area. Most of the rain that has fell in Kern County has been kind of isolated through the eastern and southeastern parts of the county there. Just trace amounts of rain there for Gorman, and also heading out to the central coast there. LA actually getting in on a little of the action as well. We talked about those gusty winds here in downtown Bakersfield. Take a look at how strong they've been in the last hour for Ridgecrest and also Edwards Air Force Base. 35-mile-an-hour gusts going on in that area, and that's going to continue not only through today but through the next couple of days as well, as this system sits over top of us. And of course, we talked about it, the temperatures, well, they were the big story last week, but this week they're kind of taking a back seat, although they are very comfortable out there for us in the mid-70s. As we travel out to our east, a severe thunderstorm watch is in effect for the San Bernardino County area. If you're traveling south, the weather going to be a little wicked out there for you. A lot going on there. Now, what's driving the storm, you may be asking? We have that upper level low that actually sat in place last week, drew a lot of that moisture right into the area, and it intensified today because we had a cold front that added into it. So you have a mixing bowl going on. Hot weather's already here. You're adding the cold weather into it, and it gives you the perfect combination for severe storms so strong that the National Storm Prediction Center has actually put Southern California, a part of it, under slight risk, which means you have the potential for some large hail and also damaging winds. Most of that should be contained to the southeast of Kern County, but of course, if you're traveling that direction, definitely going to affect your plans here through the next several days. Looking for some rainfall here, heavy moisture being brought into Kern County through the day Tuesday, and a potential for it again on Wednesday, as you can see here through Wednesday evening. Keep that in mind for Wednesday drive time home. Here's looking at your travel forecast across the area. We're looking at mid-70s for Vegas and Palm Springs. Going to be wet and cool down in Southern California there. Here's what's going on around the South Valley. Temperatures near 80 for the day tomorrow. Those thunderstorms do persist in the mountains as well. See highs in the 60s. The forecast, therefore, the Kern Valley in the mid-70s out for us, and as we travel over the desert forecast, so we'll see temperatures in the 70s as well. Air quality, that's the one bright spot of the forecast. So we're in the good to moderate range out there. And here's a look at that 10-day forecast. Showers in the forecast all the way through Thursday. Finally getting a little relief, clearing out in time for the weekend. The mountains will see 60s for the next several days after tomorrow, of course, when we're really cool. And in the Kern Valley, it's going to be stormy and wet out there, just the way we like our fall here in Kern County.
Yeah, and it's a little early considering how it stays hot late into October.
It came in a week late as far as the weather's concerned, but it really came in with a bang.
It's here and all, that's all that matters.
Right. Thanks, Anthony.
Yeah.